please tell the audience where you're at.
Namhlanje sisemkhumbane High School, eChesterville, where I facilitated a drama program khona with Ushwini, yes, Art Center, Nanda by Ujelipo. So I came to Mkhumbane to just help the kids and teach them more about drama and acting and so forth and whatever happens in that world and in that business as well. So namhlanje I came back because I actually showed them that it was possible, because I told them that I'm going to be on TV soon. So when I got the opportunity with Uzalo, I knew that I wanted to come back at some point. Even when I spoke to Sena, who was helping me, Mr. Mkize, he was like, no, but I think magic, because you're on TV, so I need travel, distracting in the school. However, we're going to do a program, and be part of it. So I was like, definitely, you don't even have to tell me twice, just tell me the day and I'll clear my schedule and then it is okay. So namhlanje ngifike, I got to see my learners, they got to see me in flesh, because now switch on TV man. So it was such a fruitful journey, just ubabona nje indlela sebekhule ngayo manje. And